Last I want to say, like एक दिन में नहीं होगा, but एक दिन जरूर होगा. We are like we are getting more serious about this topic, and we like to take it to future generations. And अगर हम बात करें, like हम completely जानते हैं कि हम completely wood को कभी भी substitute नहीं कर सकते, but हम ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि like जहां पर भी like waste wood का waste हो रहा है. So, so like, oh yes, you can.
The idea is nice. Everything is right on the target. Few questions just to understand what your conceptualization about it is. There's no deforestation happening because of the furniture or maybe paper or any industry. If you study about it, हर फैक्ट्री के पास अपना एकर्स एंड एकर्स का एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड होता है जहाँ वो लकड़ी उगाते हैं और फिर उससे काम होता है. So the marketing tactic might go into various aspects. कुछ नहीं होता बच्चे सब. एवरीथिंग इज मार्क्ड. अगर आप जाओगे रोड्स पे ट्रीज की ऊपर नंबरिंग होती है, वो गवर्नमेंट बेचती है कि ना ऐसे ऐसे. यू कैन स्टडी अबाउट इट. सो डिफॉरेस्टेशन इज नॉट हैपनिंग बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फर्स्ट. सो द होल आइडिएशन फॉर सस्टेनेबिलिटी यू हैव टू फाइंड अनदर थिंग. नेम इट. सेकंड, आपका प्रोडक्ट नहीं है तो हाउ कैन यू क्लेम कि ये चीपर है मार्केट में, हम ये रिप्लेस कर देंगे वुड से, इफ द प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट येट देयर. यू आर स्टिल इन रिसर्च मोड एंड इट्स नॉट फाइनलाइज्ड.
हमने ना बहुत सारे अपने घर से एग्जांपल्स लिए थे. तो हमारा ऐसा आ रहा है कि हमारी पर कॉस्ट, जैसे अगर एक प्लाईवुड की कॉस्ट पड़ गई 1200, तो हमारी उसी की पड़ रही है 1600. और सर ऐसा है कि ना
फॉर्मूला इज रेडी.
सर फॉर्मुलेशन के लिए ये हमने किया हुआ है. लाइक हम
दैट्स फाइनल.
सर मतलब
क्योंकि अगर एक एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं, जो मेरा सवाल है मैं क्लियर कर रहा हूँ. मान लेते हैं आपने बगैस का वेस्ट उठाया, आपने राइस का वेस्ट उठाया सारा. इसकी प्रोक्योरिंग की कॉस्ट भी तो चेंज होती रहेगी ना टाइम टू टाइम. आप कोई चीज केरला से मंगाओगे और कोई चीज उत्तर प्रदेश से दिल्ली आ रही है तो इट्स अ डिफरेंस ऑफ कॉस्ट. स्केलेबिलिटी, कॉस्ट, ये सारे मेट्रिक्स सभी वेग है. आइडिया इज गुड बट द feasibility right now I am not able to see or maybe analyze this. I need better for that. If there is something by
And there's one thing that you have to keep, because जो plywood industry है ना, the biggest struggle they are having with engineered wood is the fact that China से सामान सस्ते में आता है. Government tried to support that. उन्होंने ड्यूटीज बढ़ा दी. ड्यूटीज बढ़ा दी तो लोगों का यहाँ पे कॉस्ट बढ़ गया. Then the local industry got supported, but that is not sustainable. So government had to remove duties at some stage. फिर से चाइना सस्ता हो गया. ये साइकिल तुम्हें बहुत तंग करेगी. You cannot have a standard cost forever, जैसे सर बोल रहे हैं, राइट? तो पहले तो एक बार प्रॉपर फॉर्मूला बना लो, फिर उसका कॉस्टिंग कर लो. कॉस्टिंग के बाद देखो कि गवर्नमेंट रेगुलेशन तुम्हें कितना मीट सकती है. वर्स्ट केस में तब पता चलेगा कि एक्चुअली तुम कम्पीट कर पाओगे या इट विल बी जस्ट अनदर गुड लुकिंग इको फ्रेंडली सोल्यूशन व्हिच विल नॉट बी एबल टू सेल, राइट? I'm not saying कि ऐसा नहीं होगा, because you're here, it's important for you to have a reality check also, and you're at a stage where you can actually solve these problems. अभी तक पूरा बनाया नहीं है, तो अब बनाते समय सोच लेना तो अच्छा बन जाएगा.
सर एक्चुअली जो हमने हमने मटेरियल जब बनाया था तो उसके अंदर हमने प्रॉपर्टीज में जो देखी थी ना, उसके अंदर हमें ये पता चला था कि एक तो वाटर प्रूफ है एक तरह से, इसके ऊपर फंगस लगने के चांसेस नहीं है, एंड दैट टू ये ना कुछ हद तक के
products are already there into the market. These kind of engineered wood products are already there in the
That is
market.
why they're selling.
अभी क्या प्रॉब्लम है, आप जो आइडिया बता रहे हो अच्छा है. We can't discuss that much because आपके पास भी फाइनल आउटकम नहीं है. हमारे पास उस फाइनल आउटकम पे बेस्ड यूनिट इकोनॉमिक्स या उसकी फीजिबिलिटी पे क्वेश्चंस नहीं है because everything is vague. So I would suggest आप एक बार उसको आइडिएशन तो फाइनल करो. जहाँ तक आपके plans हैं to sell government tie-ups or it will actually be very easy for you if you have the right. Government is looking ना, उसको तो चाहिए कि चाइना मत कराओ, वही तो आओ. You're on the right track, but finalize the idea.
Like sir, like Connaught Place में जो incubation centers हैं वो है, like our college is trying to like connect with them, so we can use their equipments and machinery and all to like build our.
No incubation center gives you machinery for free. Yes. You'll have to do your proof of concept by yourself. I'm giving you the real life example of it. You're not into some robotics.
Yeah, I have two questions. First thing is, every wood has a different, all woods are not used in all places. So your wood, whatever material you are using it, where would it be most suitable? A. is you are requiring maybe I think husk or something that you will be using on purpose. So there has to be a continuous supply of it. Right? So how would you ensure that there is a continuous supply of this material, your raw materials, so that your product continues to be in the market? And as Sir said, there are other factors also. What if it rains a lot and then your raw material gets affected? So you should be thinking on that part also. And where would you be sourcing it from? Whether you be using the rice one or the wheat husk, whatever you're using, or the sugar cane, whatever it is. So there has to be a continuous supply of it. And as I said, that the transportation cost also has to be taken into consideration, right? So probably if you could include that, your product would, your idea would have, would appear more better to anybody who is wanting to invest, right? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Guys, please, can you feel so we get our future decisions? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Sustainable manufacturing at its finest. That was insightful and impressive. Up next, from Mary College, we have Zorawar Singh, Anand Noor Singh, Naveen Kumar, A. Sudarshanan, and Chandan Kumar with their topic as Nexus. Let's encourage them with a big hand. Are you guys by any chance finding this event boring? Because I cannot literally see the energy. Please give them a louder.
Hello everyone, I am Zorawar Singh, PR head of MERI College. As our motive of ESL to promote the entrepreneur mind. Just recently, kindly please play the PPT. Muniveri. Hello everyone, I am Zorawar Singh, PR head of Mary ESL. As today we are for the business plan, it is also our motive of our ESL to promote the entrepreneur minds of our college and even university. Recently, we went to IIT Bombay to represent our group. We are the first team from the IP University to reach that level in the NEC competition. If you can see that in the pictures. Now, our main motive to make sure the entrepreneur mind from the university to come in our college and to present their minds. That is why I am asking from the judges also to come in our college in next few events. Now I am going to pass to A. Sudarshanan to give the presentation of the project.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon, sir. So our business topic is about refill and sustainability.
सर आपने इनवाइट करा फॉर्मली करना पड़ेगा आपको इनवाइट दिस इनवाइट बाद में मत कहना हमने नहीं
So actually our topic is about refill and sustainability. So you can see here we are refill about shampoos. Our topic is around refilling of shampoos and washing soaps, liquids like this. So this is our business model. So our business model is only targeting niche market. So where the large residential area, super residential complex, like if you see in Noida sectors, there are thousands of residential houses out there. So we are going to target that type of locality only. And this is our business overview. So concept is the core areas sell household essentials like soaps, detergent, oil without any package. So without any package means there is no plastic consumption. So that's a sustainability, eco-friendly. And the customer are engaged to bring their own containers to refill. So if you want any type of shampoos, oils, so the particular consumer should get their own container to refill the needs. And goal is to primary goal with affordable prices, because if there is no packaging, the cost will be very minimum. And chemical free products, like we are going to pitch with Mama Earth and Bear Autonomy, these type of companies, with also with the consumer preferences also. And USP, our unique selling price is around local convenient solution for daily essentials and eco-friendly and refill on the demands. Okay. So locality selections. This is, I already told that this is a niche marketing. So we are only targeting on the hyper residential complex, gym, spas, water parks, and religious gathering like Mahatma, like this, these type of mass gatherings. Okay, so hyper residential complex means Noida sectors and somewhere like in Chennai, Bangalore, hyper residential complex. And second, product start list being we have totally three types of products. One is cleaning, personal care, and optionally we are having that oils, cooking oil and castor oil like this. So for cleaning, dishwashing liquid, food floor cleaner, laundry liquid, and personal care, shampoo, hand wash, and body wash. So if the consumer need anything, so they can go that place. There is a vending machine like this. We just get our container and we can refill the product. Okay. So next. So equipment, material, the total cost which I have been. So these things are with the collaboration with the wholesalers. And this business is particularly concentrated on business to consumer. So not to business, this completely on business to consumer. And the items are, for example, there is a residential complex where there are many types of preferences. Someone uses head and shoulder shampoos, someone is cleaning players. So we get a survey on the entire residential area. What have the majority demand? We are going to supply on this, giving service and products on that one. And the items are 30 and 40 liters of containers for a full manufacturing, full residential complex. There are thousands of houses. So we should have a minimum 30 to 40 liters of containers, distillery pumps, measuring jugs, funnel, and glass plastic bottles for pouring that shampoo to the. So total setup cost around, actually it comes around 40,000. So it's wrong here. And next thing. And product, these are the examples. For example, the Bear Economy is cost higher. The products of Bear Economy is cost higher. Clinic Plus is cost lower. Head and Shoulders cost lower. So I gave a rough example here. So the cost per bottle is around 40. We are getting the sachet. So and the selling price 65. Because if you are getting the bottle, it will cost 100 rupees. We are not giving bottle. You are getting your containers. So that's why the cost is very low, and we are getting more of 25 rupees. And it will differ on the products also. If the products is something like Tresemme, it's completely costly. So the margin also will differ. But if you are getting a collaboration with the manufacturer, so we can get a bulk price on EOK, economic order quality. We can able to fill that. And these are the types of our machines. So these also collaborated with the manufacturer only. And the thing is, we don't have fear that the machines can be stolen, because we are putting in the residential complex. And the thing is, hand wash, shampoo, floor cleaner, we can get these things in the machine. So another thing is, if the cost is around 100 rupees, so we can able to get it for 70 rupees. And you can able to see there is no plastic, and there is no environmental pollutants substances. So there is a dollar, so just convert it to rupees. Dishwashing liquid, there is a cost of around 40 and we have around 60 rupees. That's a profit. So next slide. And marketing and promotions, this is the main thing. And every business have their own marketing and promotion. And the thing is, in residential complex, we don't have that much of marketing strategy. We just put a poster on the front gate, and everyone going coming there, they can able to see that there is a machine here, so they can able to see, and it will go on a wildfire. Like everyone get to know that there is no huge amount of marketing cost. And second one is WhatsApp and Telegram. If the regional complex have the community, we are sending the WhatsApp and Telegram groups that there is a mission, you can able to get their basic daily essentials. And one share can get 10 rupee discount for the persons who getting a share. And Instagram and Telegram local pages completely nowadays all the regional complex have their own Telegram and WhatsApp pages. Like if you take Casa Grande, they have their own marketing Telegram pages for their own locality. So we can able to do marketing on this. They are also winning concept. We are also winning concept. Everyone is winning. So there is no losing concept here. And the referral programs rewarding each existing customer 20 rupees for every new person for refilling station. So people also get our free marketing promotions. They also win. We also win. So next. And this is the daily workflow. So daily workflow from morning. For example, this is 2 to 3 months long process, short process, and we can able to get a break even 3 months. So first thing is morning we have to refill the experience for the container. We have to fill the shampoos, oils, soaps. And the customer hours is 5 to 8 p.m. And if the locality is very good and like if the demand is higher, we can do expand the time also. And tracking, which use of Google track sheets and restocking. So example monthly, for example, there is a residential complex of 1,000 houses, and we are just getting off 1%. That is 10 houses. They are getting average of 80 rupees, and the monthly sales around 24,000. Our cost is 12,000. And we are getting around 12,000 to 10,000 profit. So this is the entire our concept.
Few observations. First is in your cost thing, Kaushik, you have not introduced or you have not put the rentals.
Ma'am, actually, what you point, there is no rental concept here because we are providing service to the residential area. They are giving us chance to do the services. So there is no.
It doesn't happen that way. Even if you do a little survey in around Dwarka and other areas, even to put a poster, you have to pay something to the RWA. And you're putting a dispenser. It's a huge thing, right? So that cost would be there. Nobody will allow you to enter their complex or society without any cost. So that is one thing you should take into account, because I've done it in society something, so that's why I know. Okay. To put a poster also, you have to pay, right? So that's one thing.
So we can able to break into 4 figures, which means it will take extra.
There are more coming.
There is
more coming from me and Sir as well.
Okay, we'll see.
there is another thing is I'm trying to understand the customer's mindset, because in today's age where people are so dependent on Blinkit, somebody is going to deliver a product. Let me please finish it. Someone is going to deliver a product right at the doorstep. And suppose it's a 25 floor or 35 floor building. And whole expectation is, and especially the youngsters, that one click and everything should be available. Why would anybody go downstairs or wherever you have these dispensers? Why would they go downstairs to fill a container, right? Because in fact, it's a good idea. I like it as an idea. But the practicality of it as a consumer, I am thinking that will my daughter go downstairs and I tell her, you know, your favorite shampoo is there at the dispenser. Would you go there? Please go and refill it. She might do it once or twice. But I'm not sure whether she will do it the third time or not. So how are you motivating your customers or your potential customers to go there? And that this will require a lot of awareness programs should be there. A lot of awareness programs, because youngsters especially, and especially we people who depend so much on one-click things, single click, and the product should be at my doorstep. Why would they go downstairs? So probably if you could think on that aspect as well.
Absolutely correct, ma'am. You are right. But in school campaigns are going to that we have to follow sustainability and school also keep the program.
Sir, that's absolutely no fire, no crackers every year. It is there, and you see, yeah, there's a ban on crackers, and every year students make posters on no firecrackers, and you see what happens. You know that part. You should try to understand your customers as well. You know the mentality.
Actually, what if you order the Blinkit, the cost will be 40 rupees or 50 rupees higher.
Oh, people are paying it at free cost. The delivery is free.
Have you done the market research for this? This is your assumption.
Have you done the market research for this?
Sir, actually, this is
I have just few thoughts to share. First, there are a lot of variants to every product that you are offering. How is that inculcated in your idea? I use another shampoo brand and my wife uses another, my mother uses another. So there are 3 brands right now at my home today. And every month they both change the brand. How are you catering to this problem? First. Second, जो मैंने कहा, delivery is an issue, but again I can see a job opportunity there कि आप किसी को job पे रख लो, वहाँ से manage कर ले, we can change the costing part. मेरा थोड़ा सा दिमाग समझ रहा था, I'll not put a question on that for you right now, but product variations को कैसे manage करोगे? Product variations के refills को कैसे manage करोगे? Third, मैं Dolce लेके कभी दूध लेने नहीं गया. You know what I mean? DMS was there, Mother Dairy was there, everyone shifted to plastic bags. Why? नहीं लेके आ रही नई जनरेशन तो वो हम नहीं ला रहे थे, तो अब वाली जनरेशन तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं ला रही ना. As मैम said, Blinkit आ गया, तो how are you going to compete with Blinkit? आपने जो cost वाला point रखा, you know this personally, 1 रुपए का जो sachet होता है, that's way far cheaper than buying the bottle. Still we all buy the bottles, irrespective of the fact, क्योंकि हमारे मन से कहते हैं 40-50 कौन सोचता है? That's the Indian consumer. Either play with the sentiment or leave it out. You have a sentimental thing in this, but you need to present it in that way. There's a lot of sentiment going on. इससे 10% sentiment में brand successful हो जाता है. आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा sentiment है पास. You're not utilizing it. Find it. Then play on it. You might get an answer. People are not looking for cheaper variations. अगर cheap ही ढूंढते तो Blinkit, Zomato market में enter कैसे होता? You are paying the delivery fee, you are paying the platform fee. Cost already inflated है सारी, क्योंकि प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर आ रहा है प्लेटफॉर्म की. Who is looking for a cheaper option? आज भी कोई किराने की दुकान पे नहीं जा रहा. Getting my point? Where is your solution in part?
Sir, actually, for that survey, if a residential complex have 1,000 houses, for example, and we are getting
Just an add-on, sorry interrupting. The track that you guys have chosen is absolutely bang on right. पूरी होटल इंडस्ट्री इसमें शिफ्ट हो चुकी है. सबने रिमूव कर दिया. सब टिन कैंस में आ चुके हैं, बड़े ब्रांड्स भी सबको चेंज कर चुके हैं. So this is something which is demanded right now, but feasibility of implementation is still not there. That's why Mamaearth और जिन सब के आप नाम ले रहे हो, even Ayurveda brands, Kama Ayurveda और ये सब, they are also struggling into this space. प्लास्टिक की पन्नी अभी भी है उनकी सोप्स के ऊपर. I have seen brands जिन्होंने सोप्स की ब्रिक बना ली कि आप ब्रिक की ब्रिक ले जाओ घर में अपने हिसाब से. It's failing miserably. Variations, delivery, फिर उसके साथ आपका रेंटल और ये सारे यूनिट इकोनॉमिक्स. Find an answer to that. I don't want an answer right now because you don't have. Else it would have been. These are our thoughts. We don't expect answer right now. But you are on the right track. That products.
Just add one point here because, as Sir said, the concept is great. One part which is missing, I didn't see it here, was who's going to refill it? The logistics part of it. Because if you have one building, it's fine. But if you convert this to a 1,000 building in a area like Noida, now it's your responsibility to fill those every time, right? And that will be a massive logistics cost. Maintaining it that every morning at 8 it's refilled, because if you consider that your customer will come, and Zepto you were able to overcome all that problem, they would prefer to fill it in a certain time of the day.
Sir, actually, for this purpose, we are collaborating with the wholesaler, so they are the responsibility.
And that is a cost that you are not putting it here.
You will lose your business.
Lose your business, right? Okay, yes.
Wholesaler को जिस दिन game समझ में आ गई, वो
वो ले लेगा।
आपको directly दे देगा, why they don't need you.
तुम्हें ही करना पड़ेगा, पर करते समय वो खर्चा आएगा. तो ये जो 12,000 बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ना, filling that up for 1,000 buildings, और सुबह एक ट्रक से नहीं भरेगा फिर तुम्हें parallelly 10 ट्रक्स चलाने पड़ेंगे. I don't know how you will, and variations, multiple products, they can't come in the same container, they have to be brought into different containers. तो जो logistics complication है ना, वो बहुत तगड़े हो जाएंगे, which you are not thinking of right now, but do think about it.
Plus, refill containers आपके होने चाहिए.
As a customer, I don't think I speak for all of us. We will not bring our own refill container कि मैं तो स्टील का या प्लास्टिक का बनाता हूँ. You'll have to give a design something. ये inculcate करो उसमें. You are on the right track. I'm still saying this. If you find answer to this, this is next step to kind of thing. This is the requirement of the moment. This is for sure.
A surprise well delivered. We appreciate your creativity and effort. Next up, we have Mansi Priya and Saksham Pathak from ITS College, Mohan Nagar, Ghaziabad. The topic is Smart Ship. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause. Good afternoon, one and only present here. I am Mansi from the ITS College, Ghaziabad, and here is my teammate, Mr. Saksham Pathak. So, our topic is Smart Sip, the future of hydration. Have you ever think that your bottle could be more than just a bottle? Today, I proudly introduce Smart Sip that is more than just a bottle. It is your personal hydration companion. In the world that constantly on the move, forget the simplest and the most essential act of the self-care, that is staying hydrated. Because staying healthy shouldn't be hard, because it's more than just a bottle, it's smart, it's personal, and it's powerful. So let's begin. Here is the overview of Smart Sip. Smart Sip is a bottle which having a heating technology as well as a cooling technology of a normal water or beverages. That is features including precision temperature control. It has a specific temperature control from 10 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. The main USP of this bottle is solar panel integration. Solar panel integration on the cap of the bottle, where solar panel is integrated, where solar energy converted into electrical energy, that is based on kettle technology. Having the dual insulation technology, that is it maintains the temperature even after the power off. Also the LED display, where you can adjust the temperature according to yourself. And here is a special hydration reminder that will, as an alarming option, you can use the bottle. Here is the AI image of the bottle, where at the top of the cap there is solar panel integration, and at the middle of the bottle there is a LED display. So why these smart electric bottles? Like plastic bottles are enough for us, but plastic is very harmful for, and there is non-renewable energy is very limited. So it reduces the dependency on the non-renewable sources, and it is eco-friendly because we do not use the plastic in this bottle. We are using the thermos steel bottle, that is proper eco-friendly bottle, and the portability and convenience, it is not too heavy, so no one can carry. It is like portable and according to their convenience. It is also cost effective, not too much high or too much low. It is like every middle class family can afford it, and combine multiple functions like precision temperature control, dual insulation technology, LED lights, hydration reminders. So it is a thermoelectric cooling is based on Peltier module that chills your liquid and beverages according to the temperature, that is 10 degrees Celsius to minus 15 degrees Celsius. The main USP of the bottle is solar charging system, that solar energy can convert electrical energy and the bottle charges and work on the heating and cooling technology. It is also the power and USB port. You can easily charge your bottle with the electricity and solar panel hydration reminder. So here is the prototype of a bottle. Its benefits, like it is eco-friendly, portable, convenience.
If I may.
This is just a prototype right now or ideation right now, right?
Sorry sir, it's ideation.
It's ideation, there's no prototype.
No.
Shall we skip to the slides? Don't explain, just move on with the slides. Let us have a look. Next. Shall we shoot some questions? Because this is the whole next slides part is based on the previous version and we have a lot of questions in the previous. I am just starting with few questions. We are not here to demean you, demoralize you. The idea is good. We are checking the feasibility and brainstorming with you, right? Mr. Sir is expert in the field, but I am just putting the question because we have discussed it. बॉटल की कैप पे इतना छोटा सा सोलर पैनल क्या ही कर देगा? सोलर पैनल needs a lot of space to create some energy. First, is this tested and verified कि इतने छोटे से स्पेस में वो बॉटल की कैप के ऊपर ही बस सोलर पैनल? अभी उसकी यूजेज और फिजिबिलिटी एक प्रॉब्लम है, बट इतनी सी जगह में वो इतना कर लेगा जितना रिक्वायर्ड है. सेकेंड, नॉर्मली मार्केट के अंदर इंसुलेटेड बॉटल्स होती है, तो डबल लेयरिंग ट्रिपल लेयरिंग करके वो जो भी टेम्परेचर आपने डाला उसे रिटेन करेगा. You are speaking for temperature maintain करेगा, just like the water kettles. That requires a lot of mechanism inside. For heat, ligaments होंगे, वो heat होंगे, वो इतने heat होंगे. At the same time, you want the cooling structure with it.
Yes.
वो heat वाला cool को खराब ना करे, you have to take care of that. I'm just discussing this.
Yes, yes.
और cool वाले को cool होने के लिए obviously कुछ ना कुछ एक liquid उसके अंदर chemical कुछ रन होता है.
Yes.
It's not कि power से वो हो जाएगा. दोनों चीजें same time पे कैसे जीएंगी? I'm not able to understand that. इस सब के बाद आपकी कॉस्टिंग इतनी प्रीमियम ना जाएगी, नॉर्मल पब्लिक इसे अडैप्ट करे, बिकॉज इंडियन मार्केट इज ऑल अबाउट कॉस्ट. बहुत अच्छी चीज भी होगी तो वी डोंट केयर. ओजोन फट चुका है, हमें फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मतलब वी आर इंडियन.
Yes, sir.
तो हमें तो जो करना है वही करेंगे. वेयर इज द आंसर्स टू दिस इफ यू हैव?
Yes, sir. Like heating technology, kettle have a basis. So we have also for heating technology a base. And there is also a Peltier module that introduced for cooling technology also.
ये जो बेस है वो
Yes.
बेस के साथ केटल के अंदर भी एक कॉइल होता है.
Yes, sir.
So you'll put a coil.
Yes, sir.
You'll put a lot of heat exchanging stuff जिसमें कूलेंट भी घूमेगा, नीचे से गर्मी भी आएगी, ऊपर सोलर पैनल भी लग जाएगा, ढक्कन बंद भी होगा, गिरने पे सोलर पैनल टूटना नहीं चाहिए. टूट गया. All this in a feasible price range
Yes.
is what the real challenge is. और क्योंकि अभी आपका प्रोटोटाइप बना नहीं है,
Yes, sir.
and ये कॉस्टिंग आपने एक assumptions पे किया है.
Estimation, yes, sir. Sir, we
So-
talked
Plus the weight of the bottle has to be.
हाँ, मतलब it should be carryable, right? I should be able to carry it safely. तो ये सब चीजें जब प्रोटोटाइप बनेगी तो बहुत सब कुछ क्लियर होगा. तो idea is great. It is something which can work if it fulfills all these check boxes. Then yes, because technology is good. But cost अगर बहुत ज्यादा हुआ, जैसे सर ने बोला, अब वो अगर 3,500 की बॉटल बन गई,
Yes, sir.
तो forget it, right? तब it is not possible to
Yes,
sell.
sir.
That is what we say.
सुधीर जी हिंदी में उनकी लैंग्वेज में अगर बोलूं तो
This is what is called proof of concept. You have a concept but not a proof. Once you have the proof of concept, this might be disappear into the market based on the costings. So that's why we'll skip the last one part.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Fantastic, guys. Next up, we have Arushi Singh, Shreya Bajaj from Gyms Rohini with the topic Chuckling Chatore. Please give them a big hand.
आपका ही कुछ टूटा ना श्रेया इन्हीं का कुछ टूटा
तो अल्टीमेटली हमारा नुकसान हुआ, हमें तो मिलना था।
आपको कुछ मिलने वाला था सर
Good morning, respected judges and esteemed audience. So this is our very own startup cafe called Chuckling Chatore, and it has been operating successfully for the past year and a half. But before we begin, thank you. But before we begin, I would love for everyone to watch a glimpse of our video. Okay, so guess what? Chuckling Chatore just got a mini upgrade. We've added this tiny little spot right next to my main cafe, which is perfect when you just want to grab a quick coffee, tea, or something sweet. And if you're the type who loves a chill corner to sip and stroll, or actually read a book, we've got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Come see what the heck is all about. Okay, so that was our little expansion of a bakery segment. But before we begin, I would love to take everyone to the very beginning as to what inspired us to start this cafe. So while researching for the food and cafe scenario in Delhi, one thing was pretty evident, that cafe experiences come with a heavy price tag, making them out of reach for students and budget-conscious foodies. So we thought, why not change it? And that's how Chuckling Chatore was born, to provide luxurious cafe experiences which is affordable, inclusive and joyful. And as our name and tagline suggests, we are here to serve more than food. We are here to bring a smile to your faces. So as we have already talked about a problem, basically premium cafes, while they're all very beautiful, they are pretty expensive and can feel sometimes over-commercialized or hectic. So our solution was to provide affordable vegetarian-only, tasty comfort food with a twist, with a small cozy space which is non-judgmental, especially for couples. And it includes a vibe with music freedom, book corners for book lovers, and Polaroid walls and etc. And last but not the least, we have also implemented a zero waste policy, keeping the sustainability factor in mind. So our cafe is based in Saket, Champagali. So after we did a lot of market research, our major competitors are premium cafes like Cafe Bellavi, Blake, Jagmag Taylor and etc. So this is our canvas business model, which will be discussed further in the next slides. So coming to the marketing aspect of our cafe Chuckling Chatore, here are the 7 P's. So our product comes with a freshly made North Indian meals. It also includes fusion snacks with beverages as well. And we have also recently launched a new bakery section. And if we talk about pricing, we have kept it pretty affordable, around 60 to 500. And we have also kept psychological pricing in mind. And these are all the discounts that we offer. It includes student discounts, party and group discounts, new Instagram followers, and everything, including Google reviews as well. Now, if we talk about the place, it is based in Champagali with an outdoor and indoor seating, and we have also collaborated with Zomato and Swiggy as well. Now, if we talk about promotions, we have done influencer collaborations, especially with micro and nano influencers. We have also included free Polaroid clicks and mood walls. There is a campaign that we're currently working on, is to pick your own vibe music, where the customers have the freedom to choose their own music. We also provide free trials, especially after launching our new bakery section. Now I would like Shreya to continue.
Now let's talk about the remaining 3 P's. When we come to people, there's a team
of young, enthusiastic, well-trained employees and staff. Then comes process. The order to serve time is about 7 to 12 minutes, and the technology includes POS billing, inventory tracking, and QR code menus. Let's talk about physical evidence now. The location, as earlier mentioned, it is located in Saket, Champagalli, and it is operational since 2023. Then the Instagram page has about 250 plus posts and 10k plus monthly reach, and the Google reviews and the Zomato reviews both are above 4. Next slide, please. Here are some of the discounts that the cafe offers, including first year anniversary, Friendship Day, Valentine's Day, and birthday parties. Milestones and metrics, it is operating since 2023 with average 10 plus daily customers, and it has successfully launched a new bakery section. And the Instagram reach is 2.5k plus followers as shown in the picture. Then 4.5 plus stars on Google, and partnered with 10 plus micro influencers. So at Chuckling Chitore, food is only the half story. The other half is the experience. So now let us talk about the additional elements and features that the cafe offers. So there's a free book corner for solo visitors and book enthusiasts who want to dive into fantasy while sipping coffee. It is just the perfect place for them. Then comes music control. Customers can control the playlist, whether they're in the mood of slow music, chill beats, or retro Bollywood. They can decide what they want. Next comes free Polaroid photos and mood board wall. Memory wall is also there along with free Polaroid photos that the cafe offers. Live music. Music touches the heart. So the cafe hosts local music events every Sunday. Next slide. So now let us talk about numbers. The financial status of the company. If we talk about monthly revenue, there are about 10 to 15 average daily customers, and if we talk about the average bill, each customer on an average spends about 700 to 800. So that makes the monthly revenue about 2,10,000 to 3,60,000. It ranges in between. The expenses can include raw materials, staff salaries, rent, and utilities. Utilities can include water, electricity, Wi-Fi. Then comes marketing, maintenance, miscellaneous expenses such as repairs, damages, or other unexpected expenses. Next slide. So the profit of the company. So in this we will consider 3 scenarios: conservative, moderative, and aggressive. If we talk about 10 customers per day, approximately profit margin is 22%. Similarly, for 12 customers, it is 44%. And in case of 15 customers, it is 57%. So investment, it is fully bootstrapped, and the money was raised through parental support. No bank loans or external sources of funds were being taken. Next slide. So future plans, what's next? How do we plan to expand? So visual food previews and menus. Imagine scanning the menu and you get a visual preview of the dish you want to eat. Wouldn't that be amazing, right? So next comes healthy and gluten-free options for the health-conscious customers without compromising on the taste. This is an additional feature. Monthly chef feature. The best chef and the most talented chef with their signature dish would be featured. This would encourage them. Next comes, back please. We're planning to expand to other locations besides Saket in Delhi NCR only. Then we will also open our pop-up stalls in exhibitions, community events, concerts, and so on. Now over to Arushi. So here is just an appreciation slide for all our friends and classmates who have supported our venture from its very inception. And in the end, I would just like thank you all for listening, and please follow us on Instagram, and let's make Chuckling Chitore a community and not just a cafe. Thank you so much.
I just have one quick question. What was the agenda of this whole setup? You have an existing business, you are cash positive, I believe.
Yes, sir.
You are profitable.
No, sir, we have to reach break-even in under 6 months.
Okay. So your current, is there any requirement for you from us? You are looking for investment, or what exactly is the motto of you entering into this competition?
So actually our main idea was to provide affordable food, because food should not be that expensive and
Understood.
experience. Yes. So this is This is actually just only the first step that we took by starting the cafe. So this was the first step. Of course, like we were pitching in the business plan competition. So the aim is of course looking for investment so that we can reach the break-even level in the next 6 months and the expansion goals as we mentioned in the future plan.
So you are into the business for last 1.5 years. You have given us estimation which are way too far apart. Average एक बार बात करें तो monthly revenue average कितना है? ये तो fixed number होना चाहिए था.
So it ranges between 2,10,000 to 3,60,000 and so actually we have presented all the 3 scenarios because in Champagali it is a historical place. Around 500 customers come into the area and of course they're going to look for affordable options and that's how they find our cafe.
Last 12 months का revenue क्या है आपका total? Annual revenue क्या close करा है? अभी कुछ है ऐसा number याद?
So ऐसे number as such तो है नहीं but we have made a monthly chart only for now.
Quick question. So, one, you should have that number because you've been running it for a while. It should come across as if you're running it, right? So, you should know that number. Secondly, the financials that you showed. Because one of the biggest problems with food in general is the raw material cost. You don't start ordering raw material after the order is received. So, you will have to put an estimate every morning or every month. So, that raw material cost will actually not be this simple to calculate. And that is why the number when you say between 2,10,000 to 3,60,000, that's a variation of 50%. That's a huge number. But when you scale it to 10 stores or 10 outlets, this number will be then 20 lakh or 36 lakh के बीच में कुछ कमाते हैं हम. That will not come across very confident, right? So work on those numbers and put the COGS a little more standardized in the way that we know that this is what the actual footfall is. Then it is more convincing. Otherwise, yeah, the cafe is running good for you. You guys have a target, so best of luck with that. And I'm sure you will open more stores in the future, no doubt about that.
Thank you.
That was very well delivered. Next up, we have Ishu Arora from ITS College, Mohan Nagar, Ghaziabad, with the topic Fit Foot App.
So first of all, a very warm good morning to respected judges and hello everyone. Myself Ishu Arora. सो बेसिकली जैसा आप मेरा इस ऐप का नाम पढ़कर ही समझ गए होंगे. सो आज का बेसिकली मेरा जो आइडिया है वो फुटवेयर इंडस्ट्री से रिलेटेड है, बेसिकली इन ई कॉमर्स. सो अभी रिसेंटली आई थिंक मैंने ही नहीं आपने भी ये चीज नोटिस किया होगा कि बेसिकली जो अगर मैं ई कॉमर्स इंडस्ट्री में देखूं yes sir.
बिजनेस को जल्दी समझेंगे, फाइनेंशियल को जल्दी समझेंगे, क्रॉस क्वेश्चनिंग में टाइम लगता है.
ओके. सो बेसिकली मैंने जो प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफाई किया इन ई कॉमर्स रिलेटेड टू शू इंडस्ट्री कि जैसे कि अगर आप लाइक Amazon लेते हो या फिर फ्लिपकार्ट लेते हो, आप उसमें शू कोई भी फुटवेयर खरीदने जाते हो. सो मैंने एक चीज नोटिस किया कि लाइक सबसे पहले तो कोई भी जो रेंज आएगा बहुत कम का रेंज आता है, लाइक 800 900. फिर सडनली बहुत कम 2 से 3 आप वैरायटीज दिखेंगे आपको 800 900 में, तो सीधा उसके ऊपर जाता है 1200 1300 1400. सो मैंने इसमें ये चीज देखा एंड उसमें एक चीज होती है कि आप प्राइस कस्टमाइजेशन कर सकते हो, बट अगर आप प्राइस कस्टमाइज करते हो थोड़ा सा लो जाते हो तो आपको क्वालिटी बहुत ज्यादा गिर जाती है उसमें. तो इसमें मैंने प्रॉब्लम बेसिकली 3 प्रॉब्लम जो मैंने आइडेंटिफाई किया इन ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग. एक तो आपको वैरायटीज नहीं मिलती है, बहुत कम वैरायटीज है. अगर आप क्वांटिटी की बात करो तो क्वांटिटी बहुत कम है, एंड अगर आप हल्का सा भी अपना प्राइस कस्टमाइज करते हो, लो जाते हो, तो आपको बहुत ज्यादा ही क्वालिटी को कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ता है। सो इसी चीज को मैंने सॉल्व करने के लिए मैंने एक ऐप बनाया, दैट वाज फिटफुट ऐप। बेसिकली फिटफुट ऐप इंडिया का एक सिंगल इंडिविजुअल ऐप है जो कि सिर्फ और सिर्फ फुटवियर इंडस्ट्री में डील करता है। एंड हम जो मेरा इसका मेन मोटिव इसका ये है कि जो मैंने भी प्रॉब्लम्स बताया रिलेटेड टू क्वांटिटी, क्वालिटी एंड वैरायटी, हम इसमें वो सब चीजें प्रोवाइड कराएंगे विद अ रीजनेबल प्राइस। एंड सेकंड थिंग, बट ये सब चीज तो कोई भी कर सकता है ना, सो व्हाट वाज द स्पेशल इन इट? सो इस ऐप में स्पेशल क्या है, ये ऐसा इंडिया का पहला ऐसा ऐप है जो कि कस्टमाइजेशन इन शूज में डील करेगा। हम क्या करेंगे इसमें, जो आजकल मैंने देखा है कि स्पेशली इन महाराष्ट्र, मुंबई एंड साउथ के बेसिस में कस्टमाइजेशन शूज बहुत ज्यादा टॉप में चल रहा है, लोग काफी जा रहे हैं कस्टमाइजेशन एंड अपने बेसिस पे वो शूज बनवाते हैं, फुटवियर बनवाते हैं। सो हम इस चीज को ऑनलाइन लाए हैं एंड हमने इसमें AI इंटीग्रेटेड फीचर के थ्रू उस चीज को हम हेल्प करेंगे। सो इसमें हम फीचर्स क्या देंगे, हम इसमें AI के हेल्प से लाइक जब भी कोई पर्सन इसमें लॉग इन करेगा, सो हम उसकी कुछ बेसिक डिटेल लेंगे जिससे कि हम उसका बिहेवियर जानेंगे और उसका स्टाइल जानेंगे। सो उस बेसिस पे AI उसको बता सकता है या फिर कह सकता है कि आपके लिए चीजें बेस्ट है, तो जो कि कस्टमाइजेशन में हेल्प करेगा। एंड उसमें फीचर्स हम क्या प्रोवाइड करेंगे कि हम जो भी फुटवियर होगा सारे जेंडर्स के लिए, सारे एजेस के लिए एंड ऑल साइजेस वी आर प्रोवाइडेड, जैसे कि कस्टमर को जो प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहा है वो जाना ना पड़े। एंड हम इसमें इजीली रिप्लेस पॉलिसी रखेंगे जो कि विद इन 24 आवर्स किसी भी कस्टमर को पता चल जाता है कि शूज है फुटवियर उसके लिए सही है कि नहीं, तो वो हम इसमें प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, सो बेसिकली मतलब मेरे पास तो और भी बहुत सारी इंडस्ट्रीज थी जिसमें मैं जा सकता था, मैं फुटवियर में ही क्यों किया? उसका रीजन ये है कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंडिया जो है सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर है ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड जो कि फुटवियर को बनाता है। प्रोडक्शन अगर मैं बात करूं, ओवर अ ईयर मोर देन 2 बिलियन से ज्यादा बनाता है। अगर कंजम्पशन की बात करूं, इंडिया थर्ड लास्ट कंजम्पशन है। एंड अगर इंडियन इंडस्ट्री पोटेंशियल, सो बेसिकली जो फुटवियर है इंडिया का 18 बिलियन प्लस की इंडस्ट्री है, जिसमें से 6 बिलियन सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक्सपोर्ट है। सो इसमें आई थिंक फ्यूचर बहुत ज्यादा हाई है, इस वजह से मैंने सो बेसिकली जो हमारा सिलेक्टेड मार्केट है टियर 1 एंड टियर 2 सिटीज को मैं फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टारगेट करना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि कस्टमाइजेशन ऑफ शूज लो लेवल के पीपल नहीं लेते हैं। एंड मैंने जो देखा जाए लाइक फ्लिपकार्ट है, अमेजॉन है, ये टियर 1 एंड टियर 2 सिटीज को ही टारगेट करते हैं, टियर 3 सिटीज पर जाते ही नहीं है। तो वहां पे जो लोग हैं वो टेक्नोलॉजी से कहीं ना कहीं अभी भी लैग कर रहे हैं एंड उनको इतना पता ही नहीं है कि आप किस तरीके से बहुत सारी चीजें ऑनलाइन कर सकते हो। तो मेरा ये है कि मैं जब एक्सपैंड करूंगा तो टियर 3 सिटीज तक लेके जाऊंगा, जिससे कि जो वहाँ के पीपल है ज्यादा से ज्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी से कनेक्ट कर पाए एंड उनको हेल्प हो डेवलप होने में। एंड जो हमारा सिलेक्टेड मार्केट होगा बेसिकली यूथ होगा, हम यंग जनरेशन को ज्यादा टारगेट करेंगे। एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट फाइनेंस, सो अगर मैं ऐप डेवलपमेंट की बात करूँ, सो बेसिकली जो ऐप है 30,000 से लेकर 1 लाख के बीच में कोई भी ऐप इजीली बन जाता है। सो एंड जो मेरा बेसिकली लीगल है, कॉस्ट ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन एंड लीगल एडवाइस अराउंड 1 लाख। एंड जो मुझको सबसे ज्यादा पैसा लगेगा आई थिंक मैं प्रमोशन एंड मार्केटिंग में लगाना चाहूँगा। और फिर जो बाकी सब होते हैं आई थिंक वो मेरा 1.5 लाख में, अराउंड 8 एंड 8.5 लाख में मेरे को एक ऐप अगर वो बनाना है आई थिंक वो इजीली बन सकता है। थैंक यू।
Again, I'm just repeating, we are not here to demean you, demoralize you, we are here to brainstorm. आप जो ऐप बना रहे हो, why you feel this is not in the market? 2 आंसर्स देखो आपको इस क्वेश्चन के अपने आप से, मेरे थॉट्स से। फ्लिपकार्ट और अमेजोन में अमेजोन वर्क्स ओनली इन टियर 1 बिकॉज ऑफ द सर्विसेज एंड द चार्जेस दे हैव, टियर 1 ही ज्यादा होता है। On contrary to this, Flipkart is sustaining in the market because they have a strong hold into tier 3 plus.
बट सर अभी इतना टियर 3 में नहीं है।
Analytics निकालो बच्चे ऑनलाइन, you'll find tier 3 plus is their stronghold. That's why they are in competition with Amazon. Snapdeal ने यही बनाया था. That's why Flipkart bought Snapdeal. इनके investors कौन है? This is my thought.
Yes sir, yes.
We can't debate on thoughts. So I'm just giving you my thought. take it or leave it. But it's not the case which you are telling. You might have the thought process of that sort, but find the proper analytics of this. Flipkart is sustaining not from tier 1, it is sustaining from tier 2 and 3 and plus. Second, behavior analysis करने के लिए you need to ask a lot of questions which no buyer would do. That's why in India, psychometric test is not yet inculcated in everything. Every brand wants to do this. निमहंस को गवर्नमेंट ने अभी बजट में 800 करोड़ रुपए दिए, if you have heard about it. निमहंस साइकोलॉजी पे काम करता है. वो इंडस्ट्री को ही चेंज करके चला गया because this is something which is not easy to inculcate. Which you are
बट सर अगर मुझे कस्टमर को जानना है तो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं उसको
मुझे आपको नहीं जानना ना. If I'm a buyer, मैं शॉप में भी जा रहा हूँ, मुझसे 10 सवाल पूछ रहे हो. I hope I speak for everyone. हम बोल देते हैं कि सर let us have a look. You need to know the customer. Customer don't want you to know them. Getting the point? Why would I invest my time to give you a whole lot of answers? Because behavioral pattern is not 2 or 3 questions. It takes 30 to 35 minutes of psychometric kind of a test on a minimum average. मार्केट में बड़े ब्रांड्स हैं, ईटी मनी, डाइमसो, जिन्होंने स्टॉक मार्केट के आपके साथ से इनकलकेट करा. So do study those things, then inculcate this. Strategically, you're on right track because sneakers, footwear, this is entirely a different market and it might survive the market. But feasibility has to be there. For me, feasibility is still lacking.
बट सर आई थिंक जो मैंने इसमें एक चीज नोटिस किया कि अगर आप कहीं से भी ऑनलाइन कुछ भी खरीदते हैं तो उसमें डुप्लीकेसी का बहुत प्रॉब्लम रहता है एंड आपको स्पेशली जो
Quality test और ये सारी चीजें
बहुत प्रॉब्लम रहता है.
Right. That's why I said that the market is there for this. Feasibility that you have presented right now is still somewhat lacking.
इसके लिए और भी चीजें मतलब मेरे है मेरे पास मैं बताऊं कैसे
जैसे कि
सर लाइक फीजिबिलिटी के लिए सर हम जैसे हम किसी शॉपकीपर से एनरोल कराएंगे तो उसके थ्रू कस्टमर के पास प्रोडक्ट जाएगा, शू जाएगा, तो हम उसको इस तरीके से लाइक हम पर्टिकुलरली शॉपकीपर पर भी कह सकते हैं कि आप थोड़ा इस तरीके से आप उसको टीच कर सकते हैं कि आप इस तरीके से उस डिटेल डालो शू की या फुटवियर की कि कस्टमर अट्रैक्ट हो. एंड हम एक चीज और कर सकते हैं कि जो भी आप ऑनलाइन फोटोज देखते हैं जिससे फिर आप बाय करते हैं वो सारी एडिटेड होती है एंड जब आप
थॉट प्रोसेस ऐसा नहीं है. मार्केट हैज इवॉल्वड. अब नहीं है ऐसा पहले होता. प्री कोविड 2021 2022 आई वुड हैव एग्रीड. अब नहीं है. मार्केट इज वेरी. This is something we can brainstorm on. I am again saying the traction is right. There is a market and there is a need for this. Fake products बहुत आते हैं Flipkart से. There is a market for exclusively footwear, but your feasibility lacks few products. वो आपको देखना पड़ेगा. Behavioral test you can't do it. उसके बेसिस पे आपको मशीन लर्निंग लगानी है. मशीन लर्निंग वाली एप्लीकेशन 1 लाख में नहीं बनती है. नहीं बनती है. Right? But there are a lot of things you'll have to cross. लैंडमार्क्स अभी गलत दिख रहे हैं. बस ट्रैक्शन इज अगेन राइट. मैं इससे ज्यादा नहीं बोलूंगा. ट्रैक्शन इज राइट.
In fact, in continuation with extending to what Sir said, the number of questions that would be there to get to know your customers and motivating them to give those details because there's always a privacy issue. Why would I want my seller to know about me? And what are my preferences, what do I like to have, or blue, green, red, yellow, whatever it is. I would never ever want that. Okay, because that's a major issue. So probably you could think on that part, think from the customer's angle as well, and do more little research on it. So probably you will have a better.
एंड मैम हम जो कस्टमर का बेसिकली डेटा है हम उसके थ्रू उसको जज कर सकते हैं. लाइक जो
डेटा देगा तब तो ना. तो 2 से तीसरे 5वें क्वेश्चन के बाद लोग एग्जॉस्ट होते हैं है ना. तो आपको जानने के लिए तो ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस चाहिए और हम क्यों दें. Getting my point? Until unless it is mandatory, people don't give details. Okay, so probably you think on that part also. Okay, that's all from my side. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Ishu. Next up, we have Anjali from DCIPS with her topic Raisin Work. Please give her a big hand.
Narsidas Chandniwala Institute of Professional Studies. So basically, my presentation is based on my own startup, that is Style and Synergy SIS, which is based on the Raisin Arts. So let's take an overview of my own presentation, starting it from the introduction only. So about my startup, the thinking of start this startup just come after my graduation while I was a student attending fest every single day as I'm from a girls college. So basically the thing of just being independent and
So if you could go into what is it, why
Sorry,
doing it, what, why, and how.
okay.
So that we can have.
We are running very short.
No, it's
So
So we'll discuss.
I
just
this is
want
my
to
last.
learn.
I'm the last one.
नहीं इसके बाद दो और हैं.
No.
नहीं दो और.
you're the last one.
Yeah.
Still, I would want कि हम फटाफट करें.
I'm not the last one.
You focus on why,
That is
why,
always
how.
more better.
Okay.
You say why and how. What, why and how? Na?
Let's get the baseline. Let's dive directly what your product is. We don't want to know why you are doing it. Industry कितनी बड़ी TAM, SAM, कौन कुछ जाना, क्या कर लो, कैसे कर लो.
This is your product, right? We have this sample.
So just go ahead and see the goals, mission and vision. We just started from preserving the memories and providing top-notch quality at the minimum rate. And vision is to reach 1,000 followers. Sorry.
Cost sheet.
Okay.
Your goal is to reach 1,000 followers.
Yeah, अभी तो we are just on 120, 192 followers.
कब launch करा?
Sorry.
How?
कब launch कब करा था?
It is in December, June, basically.
Last
yeah,
year.
but the source of income is not from the Instagram, but it is from going on-site places, attending the fests and all. So the Instagram is not the main source of income.
Very beautiful, and they have actual rose petals inside.
So should I start?
We are already discussing why.
You are from this college or not?
This one.
You are from this
मैं
college.
तीन
ना?
खरीद चुका हूँ.
We
ये
have
वापस
the
रखो. ये
burden of this now.
वापस रखो.
Let us have the look on this.
Okay.
And if you require some questions, we'll
Yeah, sure. So should I just move the slides?
let's talk about the next.
Yeah. So this is the on our today is the launch of my new product, that is earring. Maybe you will be, yeah.
This is already sold. So you can't do it.
For sure. Wow. So this is the new launch, and Tushar sir already bought it. उनका है वो.
Payment आ गया आपके पास?
हाँ.
Product मेरे पास आ गया. बस बढ़िया. Payment होने के बाद product मेरे पास.
Payment कर दिया तुषार sir ने.
अरे next.
But sir, so obviously if you want, I will provide it to you by tomorrow.
Very beautiful.
Go bhai. There are no financials in this.
Sorry sir.
Financials?
Yeah, I do have. That is what clear it.
Okay.
This is the market. Our market is basically universal because we just.
अभी क्या कर लिया हमने? Sorry, you'll have the call.
No, sorry.
You're the host. post.
Yeah. So
अभी तक
like,
क्या हुआ है numbers हमारे?
अभी तक they are able to reach 50,000 plus revenues. And like our minimum rate starts from only 50 rupees. And like 150 is our average rate that we are hoping for it. Like this earring is costing around 700 to 600 in different colleges, but now I am providing it for 250.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's your manufacturing process? आप
It's
करते
like-
हो कितने लोग हैं क्या है?
Like abhi we are only working together.
What's your maximum capacity that you can produce?
Depends. It's like abhi agar mere ko I need to attend fests. Abhi fest season chal raha hai. On the basis of that, I'll just decide my manufacturing. That's it.
Understood. What's the margin in this right now?
A great margin. It's like
That we know
60%.
obviously.
60%.
I just want to confirm by you.
Yeah.
I have a client in this industry working in 8 figures, so we know there's a lot of
They
margin.
even have more margin because obviously too much in trend.
There are a lot of products that you can explore into this. There are a lot of more products that you can
We
create
just
now.
started in June 2024 and just took a 2 or 3 months of gap for the studies purpose and now back to work because of the fest season.
Okay, so you are in your last year or what?
I'm in MBA first year.
In the first year you're into business. You don't want to study?
I do study, but it would take a lot of time, you know. Like,
Study or game?
yeah, for this.
So you're not serious with the business?
I am serious, but
दोनों
if
बातें
I-
कैसे कह सकते हो?
like see, like I am interested, or I will say I'm doing this business just for the sake of I'm enjoying it a lot. Like I'm not wasting my time on Instagram, WhatsApp, whatever. I'm enjoying it a lot, just for the sake of my own comfort or just coming out from my anxiety. I'm just doing this thing.
What are your plans for the sales channel of this?
Sorry, sir.
Expand करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? Sales.
Expanding, like if you ask me now, I'm just like reaching my customers directly in person. Not in person, basically in the fest season, I just got a lot of customers. Instagram is the page where like I'm not getting a lot of customers, maybe because of the pricing, but like in person, I'm able to sell a good amount of products. Yeah.
And in terms of the capacity that sir was asking, on a good day,
Yeah.
when you're the two of you are only producing this,
Okay.
how many earrings can you produce?
50 plus. It depends. Like if I'm even producing one, it will take exactly the same amount of time at the timing of 50. Because obviously there are molds.
No. So you have molds. So on a best day, you can at max produce 50 of them.
Yeah.
So 50 in terms of scalability, question aa jayega. मतलब you can't sell it to multiple channels.
Yeah.
So you will have to increase your production process if you want to sell it in Amazon,
Yeah.
right?
I'm not
Since
thinking to sell it on Amazon. Like उतनी अभी तक plan हुए नहीं है. उसकी वही है कि वो खत्म हो जाएगी, कम हो जाएगी. Like no one is that much curious to buy it. Exclusivity कम हो जाएगी on the Amazon as per my view.
but abhi matlab you're not ready with the strategy.
Yeah.
You're not ready with the
Like
strategy.
I know my strategies. Abhi the strategies I have to is taking a good direction.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah.
That's what product is good, so if you can sell a product immediately, it's great. That's what you're saying. The growth path, how to make money out of this is still not clear in your mind. That's what that's our
Ma'am,
observation.
actually, that is very much clear. Like, I'm a student, right? And just because I am a student, I started this startup because I am a girl who is very fond of aesthetic things.
That's okay, absolutely okay. What we are saying is looking from the business perspective. That's what sir asked. That how much, what is the scalability, what is the maximum you can produce.
One question. Any question that one of us would ask.
Only QA.
The only question would have. अगर ये actual investors बैठे होते, you don't have an answer today as to how much money you need to expand this because you don't know how much you want to expand this.
I know the answer.
Give me that money.
Should I start it?
Right.
Okay. So like on the daily basis, like I just got a lot of molds on the basis of my production. So if I just want to expand it, obviously, so like minimum rate I want for a good 2-3 lakhs of earning, I want 20,000 because my 60% is my net profit. So for that 20-30,000 is more than enough to earn 33 lakhs. It's Anjali. Yeah.
Good product. Again, what is the cost of raw material?
Yeah.
How much you will be manufacturing? That is missing. Still missing.
In the presentation.
No, in your idea. But
Good afternoon, judges and all present here. Today we are presenting our business plan.
Yes, please pay attention, everyone.
So, the tagline.
Your name?
Shruti.
Just wait 1 minute.
Our brand name is NutriBites and we are having a tagline, a healthy way of snacking. So this brand came across to me because we find out that in the market we don't have a healthy eating option, especially if we talk about chips or we talk about packets. So NutriBites is a redefining snacking process, and NutriBites is a new and a healthy way of snacking. And instead of making this guilt-free, we want snacking to be enjoyable and also have a nutrition values. So our mission is to inspire and help people to adopt a healthier lifestyle, and which not only nourishes the body but also nourishes the soul. Our vision includes.
Go to the cost sheet and how you're.
So these are the products we are offering. We are offering chocolate of 2 types, chocolate bar and a dry fruit bar.
It's already existing. Is it existing?
No,
This
it's
is
just idea. It's the idea. And in the chip sector, we have ragi, jowar and bajra chips.
Chips I understood market में है, but chocolate and healthy nutritional bites.
Sir, we won't use sugar as a main source. We will use jaggery, dates. So these are less in the market.
Have you come across a chocolate which has jaggery? Because probably I think the process would be different. We are entering dark chocolates, whatever it is. But if you add jaggery, probably the process would be different.
So we can add dates and we have other alternative options also.
See, what she's saying is, जब sugar के साथ chocolate बनाते हो, so there's one process that's followed.
Yeah.
As soon as you replace sugar with jaggery or any other sweet element, तो chocolate बनाने का तरीका बदल जाएगा. अगर तरीका बदल जाएगा, which means the standard process will not work.
Yeah.
You have to work on a new process.
Yeah.
That will be expensive.
Yeah.
अगर तुम एक नया process बनाओगे, तो that will be
Yes,
cost.
of course that will be.
So that is what exactly.
Okay, so what are you?
How are you planning to manufacture chocolate?
How was manufacturing? So,
Manufacturing का लॉस करोगे? Chocolate कैसे बनाओगे?
so we would hire the from the farmers, we would hire chocolate,
Cocoa?
Cocoa, yeah, and we will process through the factories, and we will tie up with.
This is all ideation. In practical life, you are gonna buy the compound. मार्केट में 6 तरीके की कंपनी आती है कंपाउंड लेके, उसमें आप मिल्क बेस मिलाते जाओगे.
And you will create your own thing. जितना lighter, जितना light, जितना dark करना वैसे करो. So where is this sugar or jaggery part entering into the picture? अगर आप cocoa से start करते हो, so it's a lot of machinery that is required, which you have to have in-house. Supply chain operation will not change for you. They are having existing markets. Sneakers आया था market में, they try to penetrate this in the same manner that you are trying, but they changed, they pivoted. जो बिक रहा है वो बेचो, उसी में काजू बादाम किसमें डाल दो, बोल हेल्दी हो.
So, but एक मार्केटिंग ऐसी करनी पड़ेगी कि लोग हेल्थ कॉन्शियस प्रोडक्ट को चूज करें.
But एक existing market में enter करने के लिए either you need a lot of funds so that you can overcome the barriers of non-entrance, या फिर आपके actually product में दम होना चाहिए. अब 2M brand आया था, they penetrated the market क्योंकि product में दम था. आप प्रोडक्ट में दम कैसे बनाओगे? प्रोडक्ट आप जो आइडिया लाए हो, दैट इज गुड, अट्रैक्टिव. मुझे चिप्स में दिक्कत नहीं आ रही क्योंकि मार्केट में यहाँ बना. चॉकलेट नेक्स्ट लेवल कैसे? अगर ये पेन पॉइंट रिजॉल्व करते हो तो पेटेंट करने लायक चीज है. यू विल बी एबल टू पेटेंट दिस. देयर इज नो वन डूइंग दिस. जैसे मैंने कहा जैगरी ये सब नहीं होता है. सो द प्रोसेस राइट नाउ इज आप कंपाउंड लेते हो, मिक्स करते हो, उसमें मिल्क डालते हो, कंपाउंड मिक्स करते हो, लाइट डार्क करते हो. आपको इसमें शुगर डालने का ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. शुगर तो ऑलरेडी कंपाउंड में डाला हुआ है. मिल्क कंपाउंड इज फुल ऑफ मिल्क एंड शुगर. सो वेयर विल यू कम इनटू दिस स्पेस, extract the sugar and inculcate the jaggery?
not a stacking but from the scratch we made. Like
स्क्रैच
not-
बहुत मुश्किल है,
Yeah,
स्क्रैच
that
बहुत
is-
मुश्किल है क्योंकि उतनी मशीनरी एंड जो इनिशियल रॉ मटेरियल बाइंग है वो फिर तुम तो बहुत छोटे स्केल पे खरीदोगे ना. When you buy at a small scale, your cost will again be very high. तुम Nestle तो हो नहीं that we are buying across the globe. And if you start there, then suddenly all these ये एक बार बेचारा पता चला 800 रुपए का बनेगा. You'll never be able to sell it. So there's a mismatch. Right?
हाँ जी सर, आपके पास होना चाहिए, मेरे पास है, मैं दूंगा नहीं, बिकॉज इट्स योर प्लान, इट्स योर बिजनेस. आप घर में भी बनाते हो, कोकोआ पाउडर से बनाते हो, कैसे, कहाँ शुगर का लेवल है, कहाँ जैगरी, आपका कोर ये था, आपको ये भी नहीं पता. ये हो सकता है और ये ओपनली हो रहा है मार्केट. ब्रांड्स आर डूइंग दिस, बट दे आर नॉट मार्केटिंग इन दैट पर्सपेक्टिव, क्योंकि मार्केट नहीं है इतना पेनिट्रेटेड. डार्क चॉकलेट से काम हो जाता है. तो इसीलिए हम आए ना, हमारा काम ही ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करना है. इट्स नॉट बैड, इट्स गुड, क्योंकि मार्केट में या तो शुगर वाली है या फिर डार्क चॉकलेट. अब मुझे शुगर नहीं खाना लेकिन डार्क भी नहीं खाना ना, मुझे वही फ्लेवर चाहिए. सो इट्स अ गुड प्रोडक्ट दैट यू आर ट्राइंग टू डेवलप. प्लीज डेवलप ना आइडिया, जान डालो आइडिया. इट कैन बी डन. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, इट्स नॉट द केस नहीं होता. आपको पता नहीं है, दैट्स योर प्रॉब्लम, मैं नहीं सिखाऊंगा. ये होता है.
Really, all good. Yanulla. We think the product is good. It's just that you have to work on how to bring that product to life. Test is all
आगे तो
good.
कॉस्टिंग फाइनेंशियल होगा,
तभी पहुंचेंगे ना.
प्रोडक्ट ही नहीं है तो कॉस्टिंग फाइनेंशियल.
idea about it, just go and work on it. Take search a number and take reference. And take guidance from that you can work on it, right?
And next time competition में मैम को बोल देना तुम्हें शुरू में डाल. Then you'll have more time to talk. ठीक है? चलो, thank you.
Healthy minds and healthy bites. We love that. Great job, team. Last but not the least, we have Mehak Jaggi from BCIPS with her eco-friendly innovation. Please give her a big hand.
Hello everyone. So today, before going to the my business idea, I want to introduce what is the major problem we are facing nowadays in India, be it in metropolitan cities. I think it is very quite evident that air pollution is the main cause. But before introducing it, 14 of the world's, for the 20 WHO's reports, 20 top cities which are polluted, 14 are in the India only. So it is a major and high time we have to take a major step. Like we can see, the main source from where we are facing the air pollution issue is the vehicles which are running on the road. So I think solution which government are taking, like odd even plans, sprinkling the water, I think they are fragmented ideas. I think the root cause should be treated first, then the effect. So if you see these two images, we can see the main cause which is arising. It can be cured by the state of there only, like street lights. Both in the image, we are quite evidently can see the street lights are there. So what if we enhance something potential of the street light in here only? The opportunities in this scenario DC fan speed so that it can clear all the PM 2.5 to PM 10 pollutants. This is the product design of the unit. There is a solar panel, LED light, and a battery which will recharge, and air intaker and air purifier. Next. So it will work basically. The solar panel will fully efficiently highlight and take the solar energy and convert into the electricity and stores the battery so that it can run about 10 to 12 hours over the night. Next. And smart sensor will only work like fan speed and navigation, and maintenance will be like only for the air purifier 6 to 12 months. Next, this is the working plan and the target market. My target market will okay. Next, the business model, government and all. The revenue model which I will be serving is direct sale of the product and also maintenance of the plant. And then the future add-on revenue which I am planning to add is EV products. Next, and the competitive enhancement because it's sustainable, feasible. And data-driven solution is also enhanced. Next. Finances, they are just an ideal finances because of this the product. Next. This is the rough estimation of the cost. And next. And future network is like smart network. AI integration will be there if we completely establish it, and it will be governed by the government and all regulations, and it will be met. And let's light up the cities and clean the air, one pole at a time. Yes.
This is absolutely brilliant idea. But let's focus on the feasibility now.
Yes.
आपने इसे ChatGPT या किसी AI मॉडल में डाला था?
Sir, basically this idea, I want to get to the backstory. When we have to do the business study idea plans, so that time I thought of that idea. But today when I was getting this platform opportunity to get, so then took the help of ChatGPT that it is feasible or not. That's why I get into the tech part also, like solar panels, lithium.
I'll give you a few questions. You do your homework on this and you identify by yourself कि is this feasible or not. I am in a question right now here. एक स्ट्रीट लाइट के ऊपर कितना ही बड़ा HEPA फिल्टर लग जाएगा. It's all about HEPA filter, right? Flowing air doesn't by itself goes into the filter. You need to put in a machinery to suck the air and throw it out, right? It's gonna be a small piece of HEPA filter जो बार-बार भर जाएगा, which will require it to be cleaned in the filter system. जैसे AC के filters या बाकी सब होते हैं. वो लंबा चलते हैं. HEPA will need to be cleaned based on the kind of state that we live in. मुझे नहीं पता क्या फ्रीक्वेंसी होनी चाहिए, बट बहुत जल्दी हो. सेकेंड, एक बार क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर के हिसाब से अगर आप एयर को मैप करोगे, तो क्या इतनी स्ट्रीट लाइट्स हैं? क्या इसकी फिजिबिलिटी है? I have been on the panel with the government people on this particular project, and still they are not able to identify things on this. कुछ हो रहा है. This is something unique that you have mentioned, but इसकी feasibility समझो. एक स्ट्रीट लाइट के ऊपर एक HEPA फिल्टर, दोनों साइड है 2 HEPA फिल्टर. ऑलमोस्ट हर 200 मीटर पे एक स्ट्रीट लाइट है. बट एरिया ऑफ द एयर वो बहुत ज्यादा है. वो इतने छोटे क्या साइज के HEPA फिल्टर्स हैं, उसमें क्या मशीनरी है, उसकी पावर कंजम्पशन कितनी है, उसका क्लीनिंग प्रोसेस क्या है, और वो जो साफ एयर को थ्रू करेगा वो रोटेट करके इतना क्लीन दे पाएगा एनवायरनमेंट. मैं कह रहा हूँ 0.5% का भी अगर रिडक्शन आता है, इट्स अ ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव. क्या आएगा?
So basically, obviously I have not worked with any government plan, but basically which I have browsed, it's like basically there are 2 types of street lights basically ideal. One is 6 meter and one is above 6 meter. So when the street light is 6 meter long, then it is around 10 to 12 meter. There are another street light in many areas. So I think which will be the air intaker and the air purifier, it will work on 360 backup, and the 6 meter distance, I think it will show not complete result obviously, but the percentage will be like that it will show a major change at a point.
It's not that 6 or 12 meter. It's about the height. There's no upper ceiling. Till the stratosphere, everything is polluted by us. We all took the common initiative in that, right? So ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बॉटम साइड उसकी हाइट कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ऊपर की साइड उसकी जितनी भी हाइट है वो प्रॉब्लम है। आप जब एयर क्लीनिंग के प्रोसेस में जा रहे हो तो एयर का आपने एक सेगमेंट क्लीन करा, आपने क्लीन एयर को थ्रो करा, वो जो क्लीन एयर है वो वापस पॉल्यूटेड एयर के साथ तो मिक्स हो गया। How long the cycle needs to be done in a particular area to clean that space? जैसे बेंगलुरु के अंदर एक स्टार्टअप आया था जिन्होंने, अगर आपको बताओ, ग्रीन लिक्विड बनाया था। यू आर टुगेदर नो? अच्छा, उन्होंने ग्रीन लिक्विड बनाया, आई एम नॉट श्योर ऑफ द केमिकल या क्या था कैसे था, बट वो ग्रीन लिक्विड है, उसमें उन्होंने एल्गाई और वो सब यूज करा। आप उसे बस स्टैंड पे प्लेस करोगे, बस स्टैंड के नियर बाय और 500-700 किलोमीटर का एरिया प्योरीफाई हो जाएगा। That was done. Implementation भी हुआ, क्यों डेड हुआ क्या हुआ मुझे नहीं पता, but that was there. Similarly, you have to identify when you are solving a problem which is related to air. तो air के terms में उसकी purification भी बतानी पड़ेगी. I can resonate that this is a good idea, but feasibility, उसका practical implication, आपने 100 street lights पे लगा के क्या एक particular apartment को आप resolve कर सकते हो? It's about that particular area only ना। अगर 100 street lights एक साथ काम करेंगी, क्या वो जोन क्लीन हो जाएगा? Ask ChatGPT, ask any AI, they will give you a few numbers relatable around it, but that will give you idea कि आप क्या प्लान कर रहे हो। फिर दूसरा प्रॉब्लम ये, HEPA फिल्टर के साथ जो पूरा मैकेनिज्म है, वो लाइट के ऊपर कैसे आप एक्टिव करोगे? लाइट क्रिएट्स हीट, कहीं पे एलईडी है कहीं पे नहीं है, फिर भी उसके अंदर बाय डिफॉल्ट दिन के अंदर भी इतनी हीट आती है, सब कुछ उसका प्रोटेक्शन, दैट विल इनकलकेट अ कॉस्ट। वो कॉस्ट कितनी ज्यादा रहेगी? ये 2-3 क्वेश्चंस हैं जिनका आंसर होना चाहिए। रेस्ट इट इज अ वेरी गुड आइडिया।
Sir, I want to add one point. The product is. Which was your question? I also thought about it before. So that's why I just enhanced. Here, when there is an air purifier, so it is to the height, like there is a pipe that emits the air pollution, which are the emit air pollutants. So it is at that height, so that at least somewhat changes can be developed. So that's why I enhanced that the air purifier must be at the level of the car engine which emits the pollutants.
स्टडी अबाउट इट। जब पॉल्यूशन आता है तो पॉल्यूशन पहले ही ट्रैवल करता है। पॉल्यूशन की वजह से डे एंड मिडनाइट वापस नीचे आता है। तो द एरिया वेयर यू आर, अब दूसरा पूरा स्ट्रीट लाइट थोड़ी चेंज कराओगे गवर्नमेंट से, दैट्स अ ह्यूज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। 70 साल आजादी के लग गए हमें ये सब इंप्लीमेंट करने में, आज भी स्ट्रीट लाइट सब जगह नहीं पहुंची। अब आप कह रहे हो जो लगी है वो भी गलत है, तो दैट इज नॉट अ फिजिबल ऑप्शन। नोबडी वुड एक्सेप्ट इट, ना म्युनिसिपल किसी भी स्टेट की, ना स्टेट गवर्नमेंट। आप पूरा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर चेंज करने के लिए कह रहे हैं, पुट अ ऐड ऑन HEPA फिल्टर, दैट मेक्स सेंस टू मी। आपने जहाँ सोलर पैनल लगाने की बात करी, आप वहाँ HEPA फिल्टर डालो, वहाँ पे उसका मैकेनिज्म कैसे बन सकता है, वहाँ पे उसे प्लान करो। दैट्स द परफेक्ट प्लेस टू पुट इट, इन माय ओपिनियन, माय डायग्राम।
But sir, from 2019 to 2025, the government has spent 11,200 crores for the air quality maintenance only.
But they will not spend a single penny as per year. So we all know how
But
politics
I
works.
think the measure has to be taken. It's quite delayed because prevention is better than cure.
Absolutely. But प्यूरिफायर नीचे कोई सेंस नहीं है, ऊपर होगा बेटर परफॉर्म करेगा। सेकंड, उसका फिजिबिलिटी, कितना एरिया कैसे क्या, until you have the number, plus it has to be an add-on. Don't go and ask कि आप सारी म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन, क्योंकि it's not just the problem of Delhi right now. आप गूगल मैप्स में AQI खोल के देखो, पूरा देश हमारा लाल हो चुका है, पाकिस्तान तक लाल है सारा, हमारा ही क्या करा हुआ है मेरे सबसे। तो इतना स्ट्रीट लाइट थोड़ी चाहिए, it has to be an add-on. Add-on होगा तो आप अपना प्रोडक्ट बनाओ, प्रोडक्ट बेच दो, प्रोडक्ट ऊपर से लग जाएगा। पहला एक फिजिबिलिटी इसकी ये हो सकती है। Again, I might be wrong. I'm just letting you know the brainstorm. Second, वो कर भी पाएगा या नहीं, ये बहुत जरूरी है समझना। कितना बड़ा HEPA फिल्टर चाहिए, HEPA फिल्टर ही क्लीन करता है, ये सबको पता है। तो why do you think गवर्नमेंट क्यों नहीं कर पा रही? इतने सारे IAS, IPS बैठे, उनको नहीं लग रहा कि कहीं पे HEPA फिल्टर लगा देते। Why are they not doing it? Ask yourself for the feasibility plan. But वो नीचे नहीं ऊपर जाएगा, और फिर HEPA फिल्टर कितना क्लीन कर सकता है। But why I'm brainstorming this, because this is the need. This is actually the need of the time. कर लोगे तो better decision हो जाएगा, right? Work on it.
Thank you so much, Meher. As we come to the end of this inspiring event, we extend our heartfelt thanks to all the respected guests, judges and panelists for their valuable time and insights. A big thank you to our director ma'am, faculty members, organizing team and volunteers for making this event a grand success. To all our participants, your ideas were refreshing, creative and full of promise. You are the entrepreneurs of tomorrow and we are so proud to have each one of you. And finally, to our wonderful audience, thank you for your encouragement and presence. Let's continue to support and inspire one another. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. I would now request Shweta ma'am and Rohit sir to please share their valuable insights.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Though I joined a little late, but what we were just discussing is it's important to think. And that's what we appreciate in all the young minds, that the way you think, you're trying to come up with a solution to a problem. And you look at a problem not as something which is bad, but an opportunity for improvement. So be it having those filters put in the lamp, in the street lights, or having something good about the health, being health conscious. So the ideas were wonderful. Only thing is it's a learning process, so we all learn, and our experts are here to always guide you, and whatever they have said, those were for you to make your product better. And because what I saw and what we believed is your product is for the welfare of everybody, and bringing it at a very low cost, because what you also talked about is reducing the cost. And every time that I throw away a sachet, I do think that what's going to happen to this and what am I doing with it. So a lot of things are there, but again, the feasibility is an issue. The profit is also an issue, because you have to make some profits out of it. But we really, hats off to all the young minds, brilliant minds, what ideas you have. That's all I have to say from my end. Thank you so much.
First of all, I would like to thank the faculty for having me here at such short notice. Practically speaking, you are the sole reason that I am sitting here. You are. Because you have the energy. You guys have the courage. अभी कोई responsibility नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. You guys are free-minded, flying like a bird, right? आप जितना अभी सोच सकते हो, उतना शायद मुझे नहीं लगता हम सोच सकते हैं for the betterment of the society. अब ये सुनने में अजीब लग रहा होगा, betterment of the society, इतनी देर से तो profit पे और feasibility पे हम ही परेशान कर रहे थे और अब हम ऐसा ज्ञान दे रहे हैं. This is very important for you to understand that you are the future. This has been told to you a lot of times. But we live in a capitalist economy. आज से 20-30 साल पहले हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स बहुत कपड़े नहीं लेते थे. एक खादी का कुर्ता और एक धोती में जिंदगी कट रही थी. हम एक कपड़े को 2 या 3 बार से ज्यादा नहीं पहन रहे, राइट? क्यों? मार्केट में इतने प्रोडक्ट्स आ गए, इतनी मार्केटिंग हो गई कि कैपिटलिस्ट इकोनॉमी ने हमें इंपैक्ट आ रहा है. That is where you guys step in. Now the future of this capitalist economy is in your hand. आप जो बिजनेस बनाओगे, वो बिजनेस मार्केट में उतर आएगा. अगर किसी ने बोला हेल्दी फूड खाओ, कितने सालों से कितनी बार बोला जा रहा है हेल्दी फूड खाओ, is anyone eating that? बट एक ब्रांड मार्केट में आता और कहता है नहीं, ऐसे नहीं करते. This is a product, we are doing this, 10 रुपए के चिप्स. आप अगले दिन से न्यूट्रीबाइट पीरियड ना, हम सब कर रहे हैं. That is the core impact of you guys. That is why we are here to learn from you. आपका mindset, आपको क्या problems दिख रही है. एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल मैं हमेशा कोट करता हूँ सारी यंगस्टर्स को, आपके साथ भी करूंगा. Do you guys know who the youth icon of India is? Who is the youth icon of India? ऐसा youth icon is Swami Vivekananda. Please let me know if I am too old right now. Not know that it has been changed. But मुझे जहाँ तक last याद है, वे स्वामी विवेकानंद. Can anyone tell me what business he ran? क्या बिजनेस था जो ही बिकेम दिस पर्सनालिटी? किसी के पास कोई रफ आइडिया? व्हाई वी कॉल हिम द यूथ आइकन? You can connect the dots anyhow you want, but that's not going to impact. मैं कितना meditate करता हूँ, that will not impact you. The impact is he created the India, the so-called Bharat that we live in. We have to give credit to him. बहुत छोटा सा example. जमशेदजी टाटा, नाम सुना? Founder of Tata Group of Industries, right? वो तो इंडिया से बाहर जा रहे थे. If you guys Google it, तो उन्हें इंडिया में रोकने वाला कौन था? स्वामी विवेकानंद. A 2-minute talk or maybe a 3 or 5 minutes talk, I'm not sure about the time, but he just had a little chit chat with the guy, and Jamshedji Tata, the older guy, was impressed by the younger version, and he convinced him to go back to India. एक बात और पूरा देश बदल गया. This is the power. Don't let anyone tell you कि आप क्या ही कर रहे हो, इससे क्या ही होगा, इस बिजनेस से क्या होगा. इस बच्चे की स्ट्रीट लाइट का अगर मॉडल बन गया तो शायद हमें दिल्ली में साफा मिल जाए. You never know what hits. आप शायद आज सिर्फ एक प्रॉफिटेबल बिजनेस खड़ा कर रहे हो, बट अगर आपके पास प्रॉफिट है, यू हैव अ गुड माइंडसेट, शायद आपका सेकंड बिजनेस बहुत इंपैक्टफुल होगा, जिससे आप फिर सोसाइटी चेंज करोगे. फर्स्ट में आप नॉर्मल बिजनेस कर रहे हो, फैब्रिक बेच रहे हो, जो भी कर रहे हो, नॉट एन इशू, बट यू आर द वन राइडिंग दिस कैपिटलिस्ट इकोनॉमी राइट. बी श्योर अबाउट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. जितने भी क्वेश्चंस एज ज्यूरी हमने यहाँ पूछे, अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, they were not meant to demean you, demoralize you. We are here to just brainstorm with you. हमें थोड़ा सा मार्केट का एक्सपीरियंस है, आपके पास बहुत अच्छे सुंदर आइडियाज. We are here to learn from you, not vice versa. Right? I hope I was able to give my thoughts to you guys. Thank you so much, and I am blessed to be here in North. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir and ma'am, for your valuable insights. Now I have the results in my hand. So we have Manvi, Chaitanya. I would request all the judges to please come to the stage for the prize distribution ceremony. I also request Aparna ma'am to please be present here. We have Manvi, Chaitanya, Ishika and Hitakshi as second runner-up. Please give them a big hand. Congratulations, ladies. Thank you for being here. Next up, we have Radhika and Dhruv as first runner-up. They are not here. Okay, I have the winner with me. Any guesses? It's Ishan Gupta from BPIT. Please give him a big hand. Congratulations, Ishan. I would request all the judges and director ma'am to please stay back for the group photograph. And I would request all the runner-ups and the winner to please gather on stage for the group photograph. Thank you so much. I also invite Suniti ma'am, Renu ma'am and Miss Niharika for felicitating with the prizes. And Tanushree ma'am as well.